Hello, sir. Here. Here.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Nikita from India Forum. So my question is, how difficult or easy was the decision to release the films in theaters and not on OTT? Because we were not sure कि ये pandemic कब तक चलेगा, कब खत्म होगा. So there would be a dilemma to release it in the theaters or OTT. तो आपके लिए decision कितना difficult था या कितना easy था?
It was very, very easy. I don't make, I make films only for theaters. No, I make films for audiences to come together, watch the film together, the experiences that I have learned from my childhood till date, and the way I operate, the way my mind thinks is like for the audiences sitting in one closed space, a large number of audience sitting in one closed space and experiencing the emotions that I show on screen. That's how my mind works. So that's the only way I look at it. So it is quite easy for me. There is no dilemma in that.
Can I add something to that? Before the pandemic, that the journey of any content has always been theatrical, and then it goes to other platforms. Because theatrical sets a quantitative and a qualitative benchmark for any movie. So you get to know how it did and how was the word of mouth. Then the other journey starts happening of monetizing it on other platforms. So theatrical, not because I run cinemas, still represents good 60 to 70% of movie collections, the revenues, and it's an active experience. It's not a passive experience. So you are going out of your comfort zone and getting to a cinema, car parking, and then watching a movie. And when Rajamouli sir makes a movie like this, he appreciates the fact that people are getting out of their homes. So therefore, it has to be something which is made for the big screen. So I think OTT theatrical is not a either an or thing. They've always coexisted. Obviously, the volume became very high because cinemas were shut and accentuated. But post the pandemic, I hope we are in post-pandemic and it's become an endemic, it'll again coexist. Very happily they'll coexist. There is no either or situation at all.
Absolutely. I second that. If you remember in the 90s when the Star Network came to India, and everyone was saying this is the end of cinemas. No, because the people will be spoiled for choice. They have so many films that are going to run on television. The films are going to shut forever. But no, it had its own audience. Television industry exists. It does very well. The film industry and the theater business exists as well. It continues to do well. Of course, every medium has its own challenges. And all of them coexist the same way the OTT is also going to coexist along with the television industry and the film industry.